Oh, it's on ounces. I was like, wait a minute. That don't make...
Okay, nice.
Almost 3 pounds.
Digging. What brand is that?
It's the KastKing scale.
Oh, okay. That's the fishing tournament.
Woohoo! Easy, easy, fella. Easy, easy, easy.
You know, we just...
Good knowing you, buddy. In this video, I'm going to go over this KastKing digital like fish scale. So what I have here is a digital scale, and the advantage of this one that I like over the other one that I have, this one is a portable floating digital scale. So if you drop this in the lake, river, it'll float, and it's orange in color, so you can kind of see the dang thing. I had another one, my Berkeley one was black, and I dropped it in the river and it just floated to the bottom and I never seen it again. At least with this one, I can kind of see it from a distance. So that's one advantage you got with this one over any other scale that I have here. Let me just show you what all I got with mine here. So it came in this package right here. Here's a little instructions on how to use it, but you know what? It's pretty simple on the instructions on how to use it. You get a little screwdriver. Now this screwdriver is to open this up. They take 2 AAA batteries, so it comes with 2 AAA batteries, but if you need to change the batteries, there's how you change the batteries right there. Pretty simple. You get a little screwdriver, and make sure you put these on because it is waterproof, and this makes a watertight seal down in there. So the nice that you have that little screwdriver. You do have like a hook that if you want to put a hook on there instead of the grippers, but I really like these large styles grippers. They hook into the fish's mouth very well. It's easy to hold onto and easy to clasp together. I see no issues with these things at all. You got the power button right there, and this can go up to 110 pounds. I know that sounds crazy, but it's a 110 pound weight capacity in 0.02 increments. You got modes right here where you can go through the different modes. You can go from kg to pounds to ounces. So you got 3 different modes of weight measurements there, and then you've got some modes right here for hold and some different stuff right there. But really, everybody, all I do is put it on the basic one, and then if you want to zero it out, you just hold the button or you touch it. So check this out. Turn it on, and then it's zeroed out right now, and then you can watch when I pull on it. Y'all see that? Easily jumps up, and you can get your weight right there. And then if you got it pulled a little bit and you want to clear it, you can clear it, and you could so if you want to like see now I'm negative, but watch this. There you go. I can zero it out. So that's how you zero it out and turn it off, turn it on. And I've had this for about almost 6 months, and the batteries hold up extremely well. I've used it several times, and I've seen no issues with this thing at all. Yeah, it has a nice big display, easy to read. It shows up in a camera nicely. You can read this display from a distance. I didn't have to like squint to see it. My other one had a little small display on it, and it's got a little bit of a backlight. Y'all see that backlight on there? So it does light up. So even if you're using it at night, you can see it in a good handle. You got a good handle to hold on to. Everybody, this is by far one of the best fish scales at a good affordable price that I could find out there, and I highly recommend this thing. You know what? I've used a lot of KastKing's products, and I stand by them. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the KastKing, WideView floating fish scale. See you on the next video.